Revision of combination of capacitors. If two capacitors are in series like this, C1, C2, then effective capacitance or equivalent capacitance across these two in series is 1 by C equivalent equal to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2, or C equal to, take LCM, then take their reciprocals. What we get is C1 C2 by C1 plus C2, isn't it? Similarly, if three capacitors are in series like this, AB, C1, C2, C3, then equivalent capacitance between A and B. So CAB equal to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2 plus 1 by C3. If you simplify this, CAB equal to, again take LCM, simplify and take the reciprocal. So what we get is C1 C2 C3 by C1 C2 plus C2 C3 plus C3 C1. Now if four capacitors, identical capacitors are in series, this is A, this is B, C, 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 then CAB equal to C by 4. 4 are in series, identical, each equal to C by 4. If there are 10 capacitors, identical capacitors in series, then C by 10. Similarly, if capacitors are in parallel like this, then equivalent across AB. Across AB, these two are in parallel. So CAB equal to C1 plus C2. When they are in parallel, it is easy, just add them. But when they are in series, you should be careful. Okay. Now, if n capacitors, say 4 capacitors are in parallel and identical capacitors like this, A, B, each equal to C, then CAB equal to n times C. So in this case, there are 4 capacitors in parallel, therefore 4 times C, 4 times capacitance of each capacitor. Now let us see different combinations. Observe the circuit diagram. There are 3 capacitors in series, each equal to 2 nanofarad, 2 nanofarad, 2 nanofarad. Just 2 nano is mentioned. Capacitance across A and B. A is here, B is here. Capacitance across AB. Across AB, only 2 are in series. Therefore, CAB equal to, each equal to C divided by 2 in series, therefore by 2. Therefore, 2 nano divided by 2 equal to 1 nanofarad. So SI unit is farad. Now let us find CAC, capacitance across A and C. Across A and C, there are 3 capacitors in series. Since we want across A and C, don't worry about B. Therefore, 2 nano, 2 nano, 2 nano means these 3 are in series. Therefore, it is C by 3. 2 nano by 3. 2 by 3 is 0.66667 nanofarad. Now, second problem. Observe the circuit. There are 3 capacitors. Sorry, we want between A and B. A is here, B is here. Between A and B, there are 2 capacitors in series. Therefore, CAB equal to C1 C2 by C1 plus C2. When we have two capacitors of different values, try to use this equation directly instead of 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2. Okay. So C1 C2 by C1 plus C2. C1 is 6 micro. 6 micro. C2 is 3 micro by C1 plus C2. 6 micro plus 3 micro equal to, denominator is 9 micro. 6 plus 3 9. Let us keep numerator as it is. Micro get cancels. 3 1 3 3 3 1 3 2. So 2 microfarad. This is CAB. Now let us find CAC across A and C. Across A and C, there are 3 capacitors in parallel. Across A and C, there are 3 capacitors in series. Anyway, this is found out, right? So equivalent of this, instead of these two, we have 2 microfarad. 2 micro. This 2 micro is here. This is A and this is C. So to find capacitance across A and C, CAC, observe 2 equal values. 2 equal values in series means it is C by 2. 2 micro by 2 equal to 1 microfarad. This is CAC. Copy these circuits and try to solve. If you are stuck at some stage, please go through the video again and try to solve. Practice is required and it is worth practicing, because if you can practice series and parallel combination of capacitors, you can easily solve the series and parallel combination of resistors. Okay. 3 capacitors are in parallel. We have to find between A and B. CAB. Since 3 capacitors are in parallel, so method is very easy, isn't it? CAB equal to C1 plus C2 plus C3 equal to 1 nano plus 2 nano plus 3 nano equal to 3, 5, 6. 6 nanofarad. This is CAB. Observe this carefully. It will be helpful to solve problems related to parallel combination. Okay. One end of the capacitor. See, left end of all these capacitors are connected to A. Right plates are connected to B. Therefore, these 3 are said to be in parallel. Between A and B, observe 6 and 3. These 2 capacitors are in series. That is in parallel to 4. Okay. Let it be first capacitor, second, third. So first and second are in series. C1 and C2 are in series means, so instead of these 2, we have CS equal to C1 C2 by C1 plus C2. C1 C2 means 6 nano 3 nano by 6 nano plus 3 nano. Denominator is 9 nanofarad. Numerator 6 nano 3 nano. This 1 time, this 3 times. 6 by 3 is 2 nanofarad. So CS, that is equivalent of these 2 is CS. It is equal to 2 nanofarad. That CS is in parallel with third capacitor. Therefore, CS and C3 are parallel. Therefore, C equal to C3 plus CS. C3 is 4 nano. 4 nano plus CS is 2 nano. So 4 plus 2 is ಎಷ್ಟಮ್ಮ 6 nanofarad. So this is C. What is the trick here? Though it looks very silly right now, but still the trick, you have to solve these two first because they are in series formula. Then these two are in parallel with 3. Therefore CS is parallel to C3. Therefore 6 nanofarad. These two are in parallel, that is in series with this capacitor. So let me label, it will be easier. This is first capacitor C1, C2, C3. C2 and C3 are parallel. C2 parallel to C3. Therefore CP equal to C2 plus C3. C2 is 3 micro plus C3 is 5 micro equal to 8 microfarad CP. This CP is in series with C1. So C1 and CP are in series. Something like this. This is C1 and this is CP. C1 CP. This is A and this is C. Now this is in series with these two, means resultant equal to C1 CP. C1 CP by C1 plus CP equal to C1 is 4 micro, CP is 8 micro. So 4 micro plus 8 micro, 4 micro 8 micro by denominator is 12 micro equal to this 1 time, this 3 time. So it is 8 by 3 microfarad. Now observe, we want between B and C. Between B and C, these two are in parallel. Therefore CBC, between B and C, these two are in parallel, means it is 8 microfarad. CAC between A and C. So we have to consider all the three. For all the three, 8 by 3 microfarad is the answer. 8 by 3 microfarad. It's a triangle with 3 capacitors. CAB. A is here, B is here. I am trying to find CAB between A and B. Between A and B means don't worry about C. Okay. Observe, from A to B you can go like this and you can go like this. When we go like this, these two are in series, each equal to 2 nanofarad, 2 nanofarad, 2 nanofarad, 2 nanofarad. So in this path, these two are in series. These two are in series means, let me denote it by first capacitor, second capacitor, third capacitor. Okay. First and second are in series. C1 and C2 are in series. C1, C2 are in series means each equal to 2 nanofarad. Therefore CS equal to C by 2, each equal to 2 nano, 2 nano by 2 equal to 1 nanofarad. So in place of these two, we have 1 nanofarad, that is in parallel with third capacitor. Therefore CS is parallel to C3. Implies C equal to, these two are in parallel means CS plus C3. CS is 1 nano, C3 is 2 nano. Therefore sum of these two is 3 nanofarad. This is C. Now, to find CBC, CBC question mark. B and C, you have to concentrate B and C. B and C is there, means forget A. For B and C, these two are in series. These two are in series means each equal to 2. 2 and 2 series means 1. Observe, C3 and C1 are in series. Therefore, CS equal to C by each equal to 2. Therefore, C by 2. It is 2 nano by 2 equal to 1 nanofarad. This is CS, that CS is in parallel to C2. Now, CS and C2. CS is parallel to C2, implies C equal to CS plus C2. CS is 1 nano, C2 is 2 nano, equal to 3 nanofarad. Observe CBD between B and D. Now let us solve CBD. CBD question mark. Okay. To find between B and D, let me turn this by 45 degree like this. Now this is B, this is D. These two are in series. When you are finding between B and D, don't worry about A and C. This is misleading. Okay. So between B and D means don't worry about A and C. That time you can see these two in series, these two in series, and then this and this in parallel. So these two in series means 6 and 3. Let me denote it by C1. This is C2, C3, C4. This is C5. CS of C1 and C2. Therefore, C1, C2 by C1 plus C2. 6 nano, 3 nano. 6 nano, 3 nano by 6 nano plus 3 nano equal to, this is 1 time, denominator is 3 time, because 6 plus 3 is 9, 3 by 9 is 3, 6 nano by 3 is 2 nano farad. This is CS. So what we found is the resultant of these two, series equivalent of these two. Okay. Similarly, series equivalent of C3 and C4. CS dash equal to C3 C4 by C3 plus C4. 6 3, here also 6 3. Therefore, series of these two should also give 2 nanofarad. 2 nanofarad. Now, instead of this circuit, we have C5. This is C5, sorry, this is a capacitor, C5. Instead of C1, C2, we have CS, that is this. Instead of C3 and C4, we have one more capacitor, that is CS dash. This is C5. This is CS and CS dash. A, B. Now observe, these three are in parallel. These three are in parallel. Therefore, C equal to CS plus C5, C5 plus CS dash. CS is 2 nano. C5 is 1 nano. CS dash, series of these two is 2 nano equal to 5 nanofarad. This is C. CAD. Now A is here, D is here. To solve CAD, let us consider these two. So let us start from far end between these two. These two are in series. These two are in series means C1, C2 in series. Therefore, CS equal to C1 C2 by C1 plus C2, 6 and 3, 6 nano, 3 nano by 6 nano plus 3 nano, which is 2 nano. Please simplify this, you'll get 2 nanofarad. These two are in series. That series is 2 nanofarad. Now these two series is in parallel with C5. Therefore, this CS, this is S, in parallel with C5. Okay. If these two are in parallel with C5 means this is 2, this is 1. Therefore, CP equal to CS plus C5. CS is 2 nano, C5 is 1 nano, which is equal to 3 nanofarad. This is CP. Now in place of these three, we have CP. Now this CP is in series with C3. Since we want between A and D, don't worry about B. This is 3 nano. This 3 nano is in series with this. Now CP is in series with C3. This is 3, C3. Therefore, C series dash equal to, these two are in series, CP C3 by CP plus C3. This is 3 nano, this is 6 nano by 3 nano plus 6 nano equal to, similar to this, 2 nanofarad. Now in place of 1, 2, 3, 4, what we have is 2 nanofarad. This 2 nanofarad is parallel to 3 nanofarad. Therefore, CS dash is parallel to C4. C4 implies C equal to CS dash plus C4. CS dash is 2 nanofarad. 2 nano plus C4 is 3 nano. 3 nano equal to 6, 5 nanofarad. 2, 3, 5 nanofarad. Let me explain again. These two are in series. We have to find between these two. These two are in series. These two gives 2 nano, that is parallel to 1 nano. 2 and 1 nano means 3. So what we get here is 3. That 3 is series with 6. 3 and 6 series means it gives 2. So this gives 2. This 2 and this 3 are in parallel. So 2, 3, 5. This is 5 nanofarad. Each equal to 2 nanofarad. We have to find between A and B. These two are in series. These two are in series. 2 and 2 series means 1. 2 and 2 series means 1. 1 nano parallel means 2. So this rhombus diamond shape, this loop gives 2 nanofarad. 2 nano series means 2 nano series means it is 2 by 3. So answer should be 2 by 3 nanofarad. Okay. Since it was asked for 5 marks, we have to write neatly. C1, C2, C3, C4, C5, C6. Okay. First C2, C3 are in series. Instead of C2, C3, this is C6. Instead of C2 and C3, let us replace it by CS. CS equal to C by 2, because identical values 2 are in series. It is 2 nano by 2 equal to 1 nanofarad. Now C4, C5 are in series. Therefore CS dash equal to C4 C5 by C4 plus C5, or else simply 2 nanofarad by 2 equal to 1 nanofarad. Now these two are replaced by CS. These two are replaced by CS dash. Now CS and CS dash are in parallel. CS and CS dash are in parallel. Therefore C parallel equal to CS plus CS dash. CS is 1 nano, CS dash is 1 nano, 2 nanofarad. Now C1, CP, C6, these three are in series. C1, CP, CP is total, and C6 are in series. C1 is 2, C6 is 2, this is also 2, therefore C equal to 2 nanofarad by 3 identical capacitors. In parallel means by 3 identical capacitors. In series means this by 3. 2 by 3 is 0.67 nanofarad. Now we have to find between A and B. Observe, some can see 3 triangles, some can say a parallelogram with a triangle, but you should not get carried away by the geometrical shape. Okay, we have to find between A and B. A is here, B is here. So the trick for such problems, when you have to find across 2 points, 2 nodes, try to solve from the far end. So try to solve from this side. Okay, you have to concentrate only on A and B. Don't worry about C and D, they are just nameplates. Okay, C and D, forget these two. Now 3 and 3 are in series. 3 and 3 series means this becomes 1.5. This 1.5 and 2.5 are in parallel. So 1.5 plus 2.5 means sum of those two, parallel, right, isn't it? 1.5 plus 2.5 is 4. So what we have here is 4. This 4 is in series with 6. Concentrate, we have to solve between A and B. This 4 and this 6 are in series. 4 and 6 in series means 4 nano, 6 nano by 4 nano plus 6 nano equal to, denominator is 10 nano, numerator is 4 nano, 6 nano. 6 4 24 by 10 is 2.4, 2.4 nanofarad. See, 3 3 1.5, 1.5 2.5 is 4, 4 and 6 gives 2.4. This 2.4 is parallel to 1.6. So 2.4 parallel to 1.6 means 2.4 plus 1.6 is 4. This 4 is in series with this 4. 4 series with 4 means 2, isn't it? So 4 with 4 is 2. 2 and 1 parallel. So 2 nano into 1 nano by 2 nano plus 1 nano. Denominator is 3 nano, numerator is 2 nano, 1 nano, nano get cancels. 2 by 3 is 0.67 nanofarad. Though the circuit looks big, it is easy to solve from this end. Let me repeat faster. 3 series 1.5, this 1.5 parallel to 2.5, 4 6 series 2.4, 2.4 parallel to 1.6, 4 series 2, 1 parallel 0.67 nanofarad. Now AB, CAB, between A and B, these two are in series. 4 and 4 series means 2, 6 and 6 series means half of 6, 3. So 4 and 4 series 2, 2 and 1 parallel 3, 6 and 6 series 3, 3 and 3 parallel 6. There is 3 here, there is 6 here. So equivalent of this A, B. Between A and B there is this 3. This is A, this is B. See, 4 and 4, 2, 2 plus 1, 3. So this is 3 nano. Similarly, 6 and 6, 3, 3 plus 3, 6. This is 6 nano. This is 3 nano. Now this looks like triangle problem. Since we want between A and B, first these two are in series. 6 and 3, these two are in series, which gives 2. So equivalent of this is 6 nano, 3 nano series, which gives 2 nano. This 3 nano, this is 3 nano. 2 nano, 3 nano parallel, these two are in parallel means, which is equal to 5 nanofarad. Four, 4 gives 2, 2 plus 1 gives 3, that 3 is this. 6 6 series 3, 3 plus 3 parallel 6, that 6 is this. Now this is 6, this is 3, this is 3. These two are in series. 3 and 6 in series means 2. 3 nano, 3 nano, 5 nanofarad. So this appeared in CET. In first shot, this looks like 3 capacitors in series. Don't get carried away. These 3 are in series. Along with that, there are 2 more wires. This and this. That doesn't make these 3 series. Okay. How to solve such problems means very easy. Actually, these 3 are in parallel. Parallel each equal to 2 nano means the resultant is 2 nano. There are 3 equal to 6 nanofarad. This is the answer. But how to analyze? If this is A, then this point is also A, because they are connected by a wire. If this is A, then this is also A. If this is B, then this is B. This is also B. This is B because they are shorted by this wire. This is B, then this point is also B. Every point is B because they are just connected by a wire. Now observe carefully. 3 capacitors are connected between AB, AB and AB. This is between AB. This is between AB. This is between AB. This can be possible only when capacitors are like this. See, first one is between AB, second AB, second is also between AB, third is also between AB. So these three are in parallel. These three are in parallel. So next time when you see such circuit, directly think that these three are in parallel and try to use the formula. So C parallel equal to identical in parallel 3 times C, 3 times 2 nano equal to 6 nanofarad. 12th, between A and B. Between A and B, answer is 0. Why? Between A and B there are capacitors. Also A and B are shorted by this wire. Shorted means there is no question of charging the capacitor, therefore 0. CAO, this is A, this is O. We have to find between A and O, these 2 points. Okay. If this is A, connected by wire means actually this is also A. This is A, then this point is also A. Though it is labeled as C and B, they are actually A only. Now observe carefully. This first capacitor is between O and A. Second is between OA. Third is also between OA. Means actually these 3 capacitors are in parallel. Therefore C parallel equal to 3 times C. 3 times each equal to 4. 4 micro equal to 12 microfarad. Each equal to 2 nanofarad. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Fine. CAB. AB. When you are finding between A and B, don't worry about C and D. They are just labels. Forget these two. Now, to find between A and B, these are in series. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 are in series means, so in place of this 2 nano by 6. 2 nano by 6 equal to 1 by 3 nanofarad. So this is this capacitor. First capacitor is here. This is A, this is B. This is also 2 nano. Observe 1 by 3 and 2, these two are in parallel. These two are in parallel means 2 nano plus 1 by 3 nano equal to 7 by 3 nanofarad. This is CAB. Between AB, this is the answer. Now, CAD. CAD. Okay. A is here, D is here. Between A and D, there are 3 capacitors. So this is C by 3. This is A. This is D. Between AD, there are 3. Therefore, 2 nano by 3. On the other side, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 nano by 4 is 2 nano by 4 equal to 0.5 nanofarad. This upper arm gives 0.5. This lower gives 2 by 3. Therefore, these two are in parallel. Therefore, CAD equal to 0.5. 0.5 is 1 by 2 nano plus 2 by 3. 2 by 3 nano equal to 7 by 6 nanofarad. Similarly, CBC. B is here, C is here. CBC. Between B and C, there is this capacitor. And also, these capacitors in series. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Therefore, BC. This is B. This is C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 means 2 nano by 6 equal to 1 by 3 nano. This is 2 nanofarad. Therefore, CBC is parallel of these two. 2 nano plus 1 by 3 nano equal to 7 by 3 nanofarad. Now CAB, A is here, B is here. If this is B, this point is also B, this point is also B. If this point is A, this is A. So these three capacitors are between A and B. Therefore, to find CAB, what we have is three capacitors, identical capacitors in parallel. If each is 3 nanofarad, if each is 3 nanofarad, then CAB is 3 times C. 3 times 3 nano equal to 9 nanofarad. How about between A and C? A is here, C is here. These three are in parallel. This gives 9 nano. So this is A. These three are in parallel. If this is A, these three gives 9 nanofarad. This is B. This point is B. Now after B, again these three are in parallel. One more capacitor, 9 nanofarad. This is C. 9 and 9 in series because we want between A and C. 9 and 9 in series means it is 9 nanofarad by 2. This is CAC. 9 by 4 is, 9 by 2 is 4.5 nanofarad. CAB. It looks like triangle and then rectangle. Don't worry about the circuits. Don't worry about the circuit shape. Okay. Now concentrate on A and B. A is here, B is here. Let me redraw the circuit. This is A, this is B. If this is A, then this point is also A. Because A and C are shorted by a wire means if this is A, this is A. Therefore this is A. Observe, first capacitor is between AB. Second capacitor is also between AB. Third is between AB. Fourth is also between B and A. So all the four capacitors are between A and B. Means these four capacitors are in parallel. Therefore CAB is 4 times each. Let each capacitor be 2 microfarad. So 4 times 2 micro equal to 8 microfarad. CAC. If this is A, this is C. A and C are shorted by a wire. Therefore CAC is 0. Easy. Now CBC. B is here, C is here. If this is C, then this point is also C because these two are shorted by a wire. Observe, these four capacitors are between B and C. This is between B and C. This is between B and C. B and C. B and C means these four is again parallel. It is 4 times each equal to 2 micro. 4 to 8 microfarad. This is CBC. So to begin with, these are the few combination of capacitors. In the next chapter, that is third chapter, current electricity, we will be dealing with resistors in series and resistors in parallel. Okay. And after that again let us come back to capacitors and solve some other combination. To solve such combinational circuits, we want few concepts from third chapter. Okay. So that is why after third chapter let us come back to this and solve few more.